Welcome to my channel about embedded systems in fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video after Münster, Germany. And as usual, some things did go wrong. And one of the things is that the gears completely rattle. It does move a little bit, but even on a scaffold or a standard, it hardly moves. And it makes an awful lot of noise. So it was the first test using the USB cable instead of Wi-Fi. That in itself went quite alright. Now I do have to change that on the computer again because of the SSH key. But that's just a little thing. The main thing I worry about is the gears. And which gear is rattling and why, or more gears. Anyway, enough to investigate, test and see if I can take more pictures with that camera on front. But let's see how it goes. Okay, so first things first. On the mentioned convention, I had to use a different computer. I used a different computer with result that the robot is not acquainted anymore to this computer. So I have to change key number 7. So let's first go into or take a look at known hosts. Okay. Then I assume I have to do it like this. Right. And it says key number 7. I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, obviously this one. That means that I have to change less into VI. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. Okay, well, I'll know. Yes, that is true because I tried it on 2 different computers and one didn't work out quite well because I tried both this one and the other mobile robot Discovery on the same computer, and then they were biting each other, which is clearly with this one. So let's see if this works out now. No, it's now 6. Okay, that means that I will remove this one now. Yes. And I have to type in yes. Okay. Okay, then different password. Public key. Oh, that's not nice. No, that is not good. That means in some way that I can't even access it anymore. Are you sure you want to connect? Yes. What is the password? No. This is the correct password. And now I'm in. Strange. Permission denied, and now I'm in with the same password. All right. So, yep. and this is software to start it. But I have another, and this is for the source code. So now I can try things. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I got 4 problems fixed, and a 5th is for next time. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and consider supporting my channel. You can do so via, well, it did work out nicely. So yeah, apparently I do have still some more fixes to do than I expected. Anyway, for support you can become a patron, or you can become a member via Ko-fi. You can also support via Buy Me a Coffee and PayPal. More information under the video, and thank you for my supporters that are already there. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.